How is it going, everybody? You're watching the Nobel Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to download your Apple Music songs, albums, artists, playlists, anything you want to your Apple Watch. So then you'll be able to listen to everything completely offline. That's right, you'll be able to leave your iPhone at home, go running, go to the gym, and stream your music without any kind of connection, Wi-Fi, cellular, anything like that. It'll be completely offline because all of your songs will be on your Apple Watch internal storage. Let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so first things first, please keep in mind that this method is updated to 2024 and the latest versions of iOS and watchOS. And also, this tutorial is specific to Apple Music, so only for Apple Music subscribers. If you want to do this for Spotify, for example, you can, and I have a dedicated video right here on the channel. I'll leave a card right here, link in the description, so you'll be able to also download songs to your Apple Watch if you are a Spotify user, right? So moving on, as you can see right here, we will need your iPhone for this, okay? We can't just download straight from the Apple Watch. Unfortunately, we will need your iPhone, but the process is super simple. All you have to do is actually go ahead and open up your Watch app, the Apple Watch app, right? This one right here, the one you use to actually manage your Apple Watch, right? Scroll all the way down, not all the way, but quite a bit until you see music right there. And then right here, you'll be able to see and manage what you want to actually download to your Apple Watch. As you can see up there, no music. So I'm going to do this with you step by step. Please keep in mind that another requirement is that your Apple Watch is actually connected to power, is actually charging. So go ahead here and charge your Apple Watch, okay? Connect it to the charger and leave it charging like that. You can leave it on a table, as you can see, and you will need to have Wi-Fi. So do this when you are in an area with Wi-Fi, okay? In your office, at home, you will need Wi-Fi. As you can see, there is Wi-Fi here in the studio. I'm connected, and so is my Apple Watch. So charging and connected to Wi-Fi, super important, okay? Now we can simply add music. So Apple Music will already suggest us our recent music, so it'll pick up the songs that we listen the most, and then it'll create this kind of a playlist. If you want to, you can toggle here, and then it'll already start transferring to the Apple Watch. But of course, you can choose exactly what you want, right? I'm not gonna use the recent music, I'm gonna add myself. So add music, as you can see right here, and then I have my full library, my full music library, and I can add absolutely anything, okay? I'm gonna add this album right here, which is actually a single, so it's just one song, but I'm gonna do it so it's easier and faster for us because I'm gonna show you in real time, right? So all you have to do is actually tap on the plus icon right there at the top right hand corner, and then it's gonna add it. As easy as that. It's gonna load here, load there. As you saw it, boom, that's it. It's already on my Apple Watch. Please keep in mind that if you're adding a ton of songs, a ton of albums and playlists and so on, it'll take a while. You gotta be patient, and of course, your Wi-Fi speed will interfere as well, okay? Be patient. Now, as you can see right here, it's done. So let's get my Apple Watch. I can unplug it, actually, I don't need that anymore. So I can go ahead here, press on the digital crown, look for Apple Music. And as you can see, this is my music interface, my home page, as you can see right there. So I'm just gonna scroll down until I see library. And then it's gonna show my whole library, but I want the downloaded songs, right? So scroll down a bit more until you see downloaded. And then of course, it's gonna show me the playlist, if there is a playlist, artists, albums, and so on. For us, it's just one album, right? That's the one, lace it, so tap on it, and then there we go. That's the album, that's the song, ready for us to play. You play here, and you listen to it. Of course, please keep in mind that you won't be able to listen through the Apple Watch speakers, okay, right here. No, you will need headphones or earphones. You will need Bluetooth headphones. So keep that in mind. You use your AirPods or any kind of Bluetooth headphones, okay? And that's literally it. You tap on play, it's gonna ask here for your headphone, as you can see. If you don't have any, you will need to connect a device, as you can see, and then you will be able to listen completely offline. Alright? So that's literally it. Hope you enjoyed this video showing you how you can add any music from Apple Music to your Apple Watch to listen offline. Alright? So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos, guys. Bye bye.